Hello, my friends, and welcome to Automata DFA, Deterministic Finite Automata. And this question, we will continue with the previous question, but here we have to calculate the state, the characteristics of the automat, the Q, big Q, Q0, F, delta, and sigma. So give for the previous automat, the previous deterministic finite automat, the let me see that the formula, the formal definition. So when you see formal definition, it is it's mean by the five things that we need to represent. So the Q, Q0, F, sigma, and delta. Okay? If you have seen the lecture in the previous videos and the examples, you understand that we need to Q, the all states of the automat, the big F, this is the final state of the automat, Q0 is the initial state, delta is the transitions table, and the sigma is equal to the inputs. So Q, Q1, Q2, and Q3, these are the states. We have three states, Q1, Q2, Q3. F is the final state of this automat because it is doubled circle. Okay? Q2. And Q0 is the initial state, which is the Q1. Okay? Because we have this arrow. See, guys? This arrow. Now, we have also the sigma, the inputs A and B. We have in the automat the inputs C, A and B, not 0 or 1 or B or or C or 0 or 1. We have A or B. Now let's calculate the delta transitions. So as I told you, we need to make this famous table. On the top, we need to put the inputs, and on the left side, on the column, we need to put the states. Okay? So, let me make it here. We have A and B. These are the inputs, and we put the states on the left column, Q1, Q2, and Q3. Again, if we to solve this table, we need to go back to the automat and see how this works. So Q1 with A, it will give us Q2. And Q1 with B give us itself. Okay, so let me solve this. Q1 with A equal give us Q2. Q1 with B give us Q1. Q2 with A give us Q3. Q2 with B Q3. Q3 with A Q2. And Q3 with B give us Q1. Okay, it's very simple. This is the demonstration. Q1 with A, Q2, Q1 with with B give us itself again, and the same with the other states. And here is the table. Okay. It's very simple, guys. it's very important to understand these concepts because they are the concepts and the basics of the coming exercises and coming lectures about in the next couple of days. And we are going to solve real seasons, real exercise exams, real tests from big universities on automata. So if you have any comments, anything you need to ask us, or just for rating our and reviewing our way of lecturing, please comment it below and let us know how to improve and how to make our videos more and more good and comfortable for our viewers and subscribers. Thank you for honest, guys. Don't miss to push us forward by like, subscribe, share, and comment.